Hey guys, what's up? What is up? To you, Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So do you remember the other day we went to town? I went to that, we went to go to the fair and the fair was closed. Well, that was the last time I drove my motorcycle. And today we came into town and something just felt wrong. Something felt weird, like the tire was low. So we stopped at the gas station and the guy checked the pressures of the tires and they were both 0. Something fishy there. Either somebody let the air out or there's 2 nails. I don't know what the chances of that is. But there's the motorcycle. So first we went to the Yamaha, because that's what it is. It's a Yamaha NMAX. Went to Yamaha and they did not have tires. And they said it would take about 2 months to get tires. So we came here. What's the name of this? M.A. Sablon Motorsports. This is the same place where I came a long time ago and I got this box. I really like this place. They're fair and honest. Yamaha said $5,400 for 2 tires, and they said it would take 2 months to get the tires. So we come here to this place, and they actually have the tires in stock, and they're going to go ahead and change the tires. The guy at Yamaha said my tires were dry rotted, but I don't know. Kind of think somebody let the air out of the tires. I kind of remember when I drove home that night, it was kind of something felt kind of weird. So we'll see. So these are the tires we're getting, and here they're actually cheaper. What they say for the 2 tires? 4,100 for 2 tires. So we're getting the beasts. Hello. So this is the store here. They have a little bit of everything. Definitely got a lot of tires in here. Here's their tire machine. We'll watch this guy change the tires. Tons of tires. They got boxes, helmets. I'll ask him to take a look at that tire, see if he sees a reason why. Turns out this guy is actually my father-in-law's nephew. It's funny when you go in these little towns, everybody's related. So they gave us a discount. the old one on. Then he'll put the new one on. All right, I'll be back. Well, we're inspecting the tire, and I don't see any issues with it, but my phone is overheating. So this is the new tire. Definitely got more tread on it. I mean, I've had this bike for about 3 years, so I guess 3 years on tires is pretty good. While I'm here, I've been eyeing these shocks, YSS heavy duty gas filled shocks, and because every time I go over a bump, it'll bottom out, especially if there's two of us on there. So I went ahead and told them, let's do the shocks. So we're doing this YSS, and they are $3,600 for those installed. So he's going to install the shocks and 2 tires. Got the new tires. Now they're working on the shocks. White shocks. Now I'm gonna have to clean the bike. Have to give her a wash. Much better. I could tell when he took the old shocks off. There's the old ones. Side by side next to the new ones. They're actually a lot bigger. The coil was a lot thicker, a lot wider, and it raised the bike about an inch. So far so good. I think those are just too small for me because I'm 300 pounds. Get me and my wife on there. It was just, you could tell it was bottoming out. So this should ride a lot better with these new tires and shocks. Also the tires, I noticed they had a lot of warble. Is that what you call that, warble? They were, had a funny pattern forming on them. So I noticed when you drive, it was just kind of, didn't feel right. So I'll be able to go for a long trip with Albert now. Maybe go to that, out in Bamban and go see that bamboo statue. All right, we'll let him finish up and then we'll pay, find out what the final cost. I think it's $7,700 is I think what they quoted me. So we'll get that taken care of and then we'll head to the store and then back home. So stick around for a couple more minutes, guys. A couple more minutes. But, yeah, motorcycle's got a spa day. We need brake pads too, so they're gonna go ahead and change the brakes. He said, I think he said 120 for the brakes. Imagine that. Imagine that. 120 pesos for brakes in the Philippines. How much are brakes in the US? Like 120 US? So he'll throw those on there. I did notice that the brakes didn't feel real good either. So spa day for the NMAX. Getting everything done. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, those are low. Nice and thick. Well, I'll tell you, it's funny how this day started out. I had to go to the hospital. I was going to go to the hospital to get my arm checked, that water on the elbow, bursitis, and we ended up at the hospital, but the hospital for the bike. So we're not going to make it to the hospital today, but we got her all fixed up, spa day for the NMAX. New tires, new brakes, new shocks. What else? What's up there? All right, guys, that is it. That is a wrap for me. See, well, final cost should be $78.20, $7,820 for spa day. So they're done, all done. All right, we got to pay and leave. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.